Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here. In the video I have for you today, we're going to go over how you can rapidly pick open a Schlage lock using the tool that we have in front of us here, which is the Lishi SC1 2-in-1 Pick and Decoder tool. This is a really great tool because it allows you to be able to pick the lock with a lot of really great feedback, and then you're going to be able to decode the lock in just a few seconds afterwards. More information is coming up on this fantastic tool in just a second. Please stay tuned. Before we get started with this tool, I just want to make mention of one thing that I really enjoy about it. When you take a look at the Schlage SC1 keyway that you see here, when you're first starting out in Locksport, you can see that the keyway can be a little bit tight because of this piece here. You're going to need to pick off to the side to be able to get in there very easily and get to all of the pins. When you use the Lishi tool, it's going to fit precisely in the keyway, and the keyway is not going to be difficult at all, and it's going to make picking so much easier. I am still hoping that they'll make one in the Y1 keyway, because that keyway can be very tough for people that are first starting out. But without further ado, let's get into how we can utilize this tool to pick open a Schlage SC1 lock in just a few seconds. Alright, so in order to get started, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take our lifter tip, and then we're going to put it in the very bottom of the tool here, and then we're going to align the tool with the keyway, and then we're going to insert it all the way into the back of the lock. Then you're going to see that there's going to be indicators on our tool 1 through 5. These are going to line up with all of the key pin chambers, so we're going to want to start off with 1, and then we're going to start to put a little bit of tension on our lock and try to get it open. This is going to be our tensioning wrench right here. I'm going to lift it up and provide a little bit of clockwise tension, and let's see what it takes to get this lock open. So starting off with pin 1, we're just going to lift down. That feels like it's binding. I got a click, and that one feels set. The key pin below it feels nice and floppy. Going over to 2, that's binding up. I got a little click, and now that one feels set. Going over to 3, lifting that up, got a click. That feels set. 4, that feels like it's binding. Got a small little click, and that feels set. Now going over to 5, that one's binding up. That feels set, and the lock is now opened up. So what we're able to do with this lock is we're able to open it up in the binding order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did that with some clockwise tension, and we're able to get this lock open in a few seconds. The Schlage SC1 Lishi tool is a really great tool for someone starting out because it can really help you line up exactly where you are in the lock, and there's going to be no guessing about it. Once you get the lock open like you see here, you're going to be able to go through each and every pin stack and see precisely where the key pin lies so you can decode a key in just a few seconds. This is a really great tool. It is a great tool to have in your toolbox if you're a locksmith or if you're just a very big lock enthusiast. But either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out.